Hello, how y'all doing? This is Kay. Y'all, we just got a tornado warning. It was just sunny, sunny. So I'm getting ready to show y'all what's going on. They just sent alerts to our cell phones, and as you can see, it's on the TV. I mean, it was just sunny as I don't know what, y'all. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. In the name of Jesus. Okay, look. Y'all better get y'all butt in that house. Hey, little ladies. Look at this. Look at them trees up there. Ooh, that sound crazy. Oh, Lord, I'm scared. Wait a minute. Look at that, y'all. Oh, my goodness. It just started pouring down raining. It was just sunny. Yeah, we got the warning. They say take shelter. And I'm going to get ready to get in here. Don't worry. Look at that rain. Isn't that them chaps up there? Get y'all butt in that house. Get on in there. Get in that house. Go in the house. Thank you. Okay, y'all. Hold on. I'm going to leave my... and as you know, I got everything out. Hold on, y'all. Hey, the Lord doing His work. I'm getting ready to sit down, but I got my TV on. That's it. Everything else is out. Look at him. Jesus.
All about the heavy rain. That's the nature of these types of
oh, Lord, keep us safe, Jesus. It's going to be all right.
They've got a lot of wind energy.
No disrespect, Father. Take shelter, tornado warning. Gaston, Mecklenburg counties until 4:30. And the time is now 4:12. And it's coming. It moved so quick, y'all. It was so quick. Let me keep my eye on everything. I'm flying through here, Jesus. See, that's where I live. Right there.
Curious to see if we're seeing.
And you see where it is.
Out of this as well. Those kind of tend to come in hand when we have these types of storms. You get a lot of trees down. You also get a lot of power outages. I think we've got some viewer video that we'd like to share with you. This
look.
is out of Chester County. A viewer sending us this video where you can see
Jesus.
The rain just coming on.
Okay, y'all, I need to go sit down somewhere.
This area was not warned, by the way, but it's certainly been affected by this line of storms that's pushing on through. Of course, we appreciate your videos. Whenever you can send those to us safely, we love to share those as well. So we appreciate this video. Let me get back to the radar here and show you where this
Now and them kids back out on that porch. You know where? That would be switch time. Are you listening to them? Child, I had them in here. They be sitting down. Sitting your butt down somewhere. Look at that. Ooh, y'all, look at that. That's pouring down rain. Sheets of rain.
Okay, so let's get back to the action here in Mecklenburg County. Tornado warnings in effect until 4:30. Let's put a tracker on this as it continues to move at about 40 miles per hour. Basically, what I'll do is I'll track the
I done prayed, Lord. I done prayed.
So this
Y'all don't let nothing happen to nobody in the name of Jesus. Everybody sit down somewhere. I've been calling my daughter, y'all. I am so shook up. She's not answering. I hope she's in the shower. I done called her and called her. Oh, Lord, please let that be her. Oh, Lord. Be her. Okay, y'all, I'm going to go. Because I got to check on my daughter, Lord. Have mercy. Please keep us safe in the name of Jesus, I pray. Amen, Father God. Let me call my baby. Okay, y'all, I'll give y'all an update. Because it ain't no joke right now. It is straight serious. Straight serious. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye now.